Hey, what's up guys? Today I've got something pretty interesting to talk about. It's called the Stratos app, and it's claiming to be a real game changer in the world of online traffic and passive income. So let's dive into what this app is all about. First off, Stratos 5.2 is marketed as a no BS app created by ex-Google engineers. It's designed to exploit a Google loophole to drive traffic and generate online income without the need for AI, SEO, ads, or even content creation. Sounds too good to be true? Yeah, I thought the same thing. The core claims are pretty bold. They say you can get 2,176 clicks per day and make over $182.34 daily. It works in any niche, any country, and supposedly only requires 2-3 minutes of work per day. Just click 3 buttons and you're good to go. You can use it on laptops, phones, and tablets, making it super accessible. The idea is that you can generate passive income without much effort. Now let's talk about the monetization strategies they offer. You can use Stratos for affiliate marketing, selling traffic as a service, running an e-commerce store, or even providing social media agency services. They mention some pretty impressive income examples too, like making over $7,500 in 3 days within the MMO niche, and $596 in just 6 hours in the fitness niche. Included in the package are some neat features: the Stratos app itself, a zero ads feature, a no website feature, and a traffic blast feature. You also get a mobile edition, training videos, world-class support, and DFY campaigns for the first 99 customers. Plus, they throw in a commercial license and bonuses supposedly worth over $13,000. As for pricing, they're offering a limited-time one-time fee described as less than a cheap dinner, but after the launch period it jumps to $997 a month. That's a steep increase, so if you're interested, you might want to act fast. And here's the kicker: they offer a 365-day money-back guarantee. If Stratos doesn't work as promised, you get a full refund plus $300. Bold move, right? So, bottom line, this sounds like a pretty powerful tool if it truly delivers on all these claims. But remember, always approach bold marketing promises with a healthy dose of skepticism. Alright, that's a wrap for today. Make sure to check out the link in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.